Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can find all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and type in DevCheck. Then download this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!